Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about benchmarking. इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे बेंचमार्किंग, क्या होता है बेंचमार्किंग एंड बेंचमार्किंग प्रोसेस को आप सर्विस क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए कैसे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स टू बी परफॉर्म इन द बेंचमार्किंग प्रोसेस। तो जब मैं सर्विस की बात करता हूँ, एसेंशियली वी नो दैट सर्विसेज आर इंटेंजिबल। सर्विसेज को हम देख नहीं सकते, छू नहीं सकते, टच नहीं कर सकते। वी कैन ओनली फील अबाउट द सर्विस। सर्विसेज आर द एक्सपीरियंस, एक्टिविटी डिलीवर्ड which are essentially intangible, but उसका quality, because it is intangible, it is very difficult to measure the service quality. तो service quality is more about customer expectation of that service, और जो भी सर्विस उसको डिलीवर होता है उसका परसेप्शन उस सर्विस के बारे में क्या था। So when I'm talking about service quality, I'm more talking about customer expectation of the service and customers perceived quality about that particular service. And इसीलिए service quality को measure करना, it is much more complex and it is much more difficult. Now benchmarking is one technique. Benchmarking is one technique which is used to continuously measure the service quality, and not only to measure, but it is also a tool to improve upon your service quality and your service performance. तो क्या होता है benchmarking? As the word itself says, benchmarking. Benchmarking refers to standards, the best practices in your industry, the best performers in your industries. वो ऐसा क्या करते हैं जो आप नहीं करते? आपके competitors ऐसा क्या additional करते हैं, क्या extra करते हैं? What are the process they are following, which are not there in your service organization? And you need to implement those practices to achieve that highest level of performance that is called as benchmarking. In the simplistic term, benchmarking is comparing with the best in the industry, the best competitor practices. Now benchmarking अलग-अलग level पे हो सकता है. Benchmarking can be intra level, benchmarking can be at functional level, and benchmarking at the competitors level. Let us discuss one after the another. जैसे मैंने कहा, बेंचमार्किंग एट द इंट्रा लेवल, फंक्शनल लेवल एंड कंपेटिटर्स लेवल। तो क्या होता है फंक्शनल लेवल? द फंक्शनल लेवल इज यू आर कंपेयरिंग वन ऑफ द फंक्शन। देयर आर मेनी फंक्शंस इन एनी फर्म। इट कैन बी फिनेंस, इट कैन बी कस्टमर केयर सपोर्ट, इट कैन बी मार्केटिंग, इट कैन बी HR। सो आपका जो फंक्शनल प्रोसेस है, उस फंक्शनल प्रोसेस को बेस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री के साथ कंपेयर करना है। दैट इज फंक्शनल बेंचमार्किंग। नाउ व्हाट इज इंट्रा बेंचमार्किंग? इंट्रा बेंचमार्किंग इससे फॉर एग्जांपल आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बहुत बड़े हैं, आपके बहुत सारे यूनिट्स है, स्ट्रैटेजिक बिजनेस यूनिट एज वी से। नाउ इफ यू हैव सो मेनी यूनिट्स और यू हैव सो मेनी ब्रांचेस, देन यू कैन कंपेयर द बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग यूनिट, or you can compare with the best performing branch. Say for example a nationalized bank like SBI. SBI has so many branches. So the branch which is performing the best, that can be considered as benchmark. Say for example a retail chain store like Walmart or McDonald's. It can be compared with the best performing branch. Or say there are multiple colleges within the same management. Then the college which is performing best, that can be taken as a benchmark. So that is intra benchmarking. Moving ahead to competitors benchmarking. Competitors benchmarking is one of the most popular method adopted to improve your performance. What it is? Directly compare with your competitor. Industry में जितनी भी firms है, say for example, if I am talking about telecommunication, we have Airtel, we have Jio, we have BSNL, Vodafone and Idea. I am talking about only Indian firms. So Indian telecommunication sector में the company which is performing best currently is Jio. Then the rest of the firm can compare their performance with Jio. That is benchmarking. Now what are the steps to be performed in benchmarking? Now to perform the benchmarking, you have to perform various steps. First and foremost, identify the parameters that has to be measured that contributes to the performance. Identify the parameters. Then second is select the best performer, that is the best practices, the benchmark which you want to achieve. Third, determine the data collecting method. Fourth, compare your performance with your benchmark that is best in the industry. Fifth, identify the performance gap. Once you have identified the gap, prepare a plan, identify the measures to close that gap. Then identify or set the targets to be achieved. Implement the plans. Monitor whether the targets which you have set have achieved or not, and then repeat. So this has to be continuously repeated. But also remember, on one end benchmarking is a motivation, but on the other end there can also be a resistance to change. So you have to manage both. You have to communicate to your employees that this is more of upgrading ourselves rather than resisting it. So you have to use it as a tool for motivation, tool of motivation to improve your performance. And while improving the performance, the dimensions of the service quality which we need to focus is the performance of the service, feature of the service, reliability of the service, conformance of the standards, durability, serviceability, aesthetics, and the perceived quality. So these are the dimensions. So today what we discussed benchmarking. What is benchmarking? Benchmarking is comparing with the best standards, comparing with the best practices. Okay. There can be functional benchmarking, that is comparing one of your function, that can be HRM, marketing, operations. Intra-level benchmarking, that means if your organization is large, you can select the best performing unit as your benchmark and compare the rest. And competitor benchmarking is comparing with the industry leader, the market leader. Then the steps we discussed. What are the steps? I repeat once again. The steps are: first, identifying the performance parameters. Second, selecting the benchmark, that is the best practice. Third, data collection method. Fourth, identify your performance gap in comparison to competitor. Take action or measures to close that gap. Set the performance target. Implement the action plan. Monitor the progress of the target and repeat. And the service dimensions which we need to take care are performance of the service, feature of the service, reliability, durability, serviceability, perceived quality, etc. So I hope my student this topic of benchmarking is clear to you. In our next video we will discuss some another topic related to service marketing. Till then everyone, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.